Yo, what is up, guys? Boy JaidenakaYasu. So today I'm meeting one of my boys on, and we're about to go do some photos. It is for real, literally 5:49.
Bruh.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but I woke up at 5:30 and I just got ready. I literally pre-packed everything for today. We're gonna do some drone shots. We're gonna do some stills, and we're gonna be doing some little reel shots today. It's gonna be a very productive day, but we have to go early in the morning. It's gonna be about like an hour drive. We're gonna go towards San Rafael area, but closer towards like the water. Taking some photos like in a tunnel, some videos. I got some roller stuff. One of my boys, Andy, he was kind enough to let me borrow his part for letting me do some rollers of our cars. So I'll be giving you guys all that footage today. And I'm just vlog the entire thing, but it's gonna be pretty fun. I am so dead tired. Down in the description below, I will have timestamps for each of the shots, and each one of those shots I'll put down what we used to film them and how I edited it. So some of them I will have text on the bottom, which will tell you what I did for each one. But if you have any questions, just go ahead and put it in the comments down below, and I'll respond to you as fast as I can. It is freezing here. We are shooting some nice reels and rollers, man. We got this one-way tunnel over here. It goes up to a viewing of a Golden Gate Park. There's a lot of tourists here, though. I'm not gonna lie. So like, it's been taking a while, and this light takes 5 minutes just to go on, just because it's so long. Oh, it's green. It's green. All right, I'll show you guys what it looks like from the inside when we get there. Guys, we just did some insane shots. I was using the drone. I got a really good shot of mine. I got a pretty good one of Han's car, but sadly the wind is so strong, so we can't be doing it by the big bridge. But he's currently walking down. That way we can take another shot of like a roller just going straight down. During the shoot, it's been pretty cool. There's a lot of people saying that, you know, nice cars and all that. There's a lot of bikers, pretty nice people up here. Honestly, I've never even been up here before. I didn't even know this area even existed for a long time. Like, I've seen his shots, but I never knew how to get here. So it's pretty cool that he was able to show me this place. I'm really liking it. I'll try to get some more behind the scenes footage on how we're doing like recording and all that. But yeah, in a bit I'm about to go down and we're about to check it out. On is running all the way up. because we're about to take a video of him going downhill. But this is a great view. I'm gonna try to get a drone shot, hopefully. I got some time. He's doing a little workout, so I'm gonna try to get some cool drone shots of the water and of him coming down while getting a recording of him on his camera, so we can shoot some reels.